Hey, what's up guys? How you doing? And welcome. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to make passive income with crypto. So let me ask you a question. Do you really think that you can't make passive income with crypto? Guys, it's not true at all. And today I'm going to show you the 3 top ways to earn crypto passively without doing no extra work. Now, who am I? Let me just tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Alfredo, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And that's me right there. And obviously, I've been with Bitcoin for many years. I got started with Bitcoin back when it was under $1,000, and I've been teaching people over the years. I've been teaching people how to make money with crypto, how to make money online. I've been speaking on stage, speaking in front of people. These are some of my little, enjoyments. I've had some private jet flights with my wife, and as you can see, that was my McLaren right there that I actually bought with Bitcoin. But enough about me, guys. I just want to talk about this channel real quick and what it's all about. On this channel, I'm just going to be giving you straight knowledge. I'm going to show you some of the best ways to make money online. I'm going to show you how to become rich with cryptocurrency, how to build a long-term business, and allow you to earn from anywhere in the world using nothing but your laptop, or in some cases, just a smartphone and a Wi-Fi connection. That's all you need. So on today's video, we're going to be discussing exactly how to earn passive income with cryptocurrency. So real quick, just like this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe. Also, hit that little notification bell to let you know whenever I post a new video showing you guys how to make money. So most people think that if you want to make money with cryptocurrency, guys, you have to be some sort of expert or have a ton of capital, or you'll never be able to make money with crypto. And that's all a lie, guys. It's simply not true. Okay, I've been teaching people how to make money with crypto for years, making a steady profit passively year after year after year. But here's the secret, guys. You have to do it in the right way, or you can get scammed very easily and lose all your money. So most so-called experts and gurus teach these methods all wrong, which I believe is the reason why many people fail or don't know how to do this correctly. Well, we're going to teach you the top 3 ways on how to make passive income with crypto. So one of the ways, number 1, is lending. Lending can get you anywhere from about 8 to 14% APY. That's the annual or yearly return. And how that works is crypto lending platforms are often far more secure than banks. They allow you to earn interest on your assets by allowing other investors to borrow your cryptocurrency. And it could be fully automated. You can earn weekly, monthly dividends for basically doing no work. Again, this is about making passive money. Way number 2, staking. Staking can give you anywhere from 10 to 20% APY. That's a yearly return. It's an easy way to earn interest on your cryptocurrency holdings. Okay, so whatever you have in your wallet, if the wallet you're using allows you to stake, then you can earn extra by just staking it, and that means not touching it. So you don't need any equipment for crypto staking like you would in crypto mining. It's basically just taking your holdings and earning interest on it. And you're helping to maintain the security and efficiency of the blockchain at the same time. So the last way, and one of my favorite ways, is auto trading. Auto trading can get you anywhere from 15 to 30% monthly, guys, not yearly, monthly. This is fully automated. It takes all the emotions out of trading manually, and the bots work 24/7. And this is great because the crypto market never stops. So unfortunately, we have to sleep and get our rest. The crypto market never stops and never sleeps. So that's why using bots and automated trading is really efficient, because it works for you even while you sleep. And here's a good thing. It's all done without algorithms and mathematical solutions, so no work or experience is needed. You can earn daily profits without the risk of losing your crypto. So here's a recap, guys. The 3 top ways. Number 1 is lending, where you can earn anywhere from 8% to 14% on your annual returns. Staking, which you can earn anywhere from 10 to 20% on your annual returns. And then my favorite way is auto trading, which you can earn anywhere from 15 to 30% a month, guys. So if you want to learn more about making money with crypto, all you have to do is click the link in the description. I recommend some of the best auto traders out there on the world right now. Please do me a favor, like, subscribe, click the bell, so next time I post a video, you'll be able to get notified when that happens. And also drop a comment. I reply to all my comments, guys. I'm a real person. I know you guys are real, and I appreciate your time, so I reply to all my comments. And if you want, also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is right there at PayLikeAlfredo. And also, you can message me directly on Telegram at Alfredo Easy Delgado. So again, guys, thanks for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care.